Final game of the opening series of the second half between Carolina and Myrtle Beach here at TicketReturn.com for the Pelicans ballpark. Let's take a look at those highlights. A pitcher's duel, the Pelicans vying for the series split in the third. Still no score. Braxton Davidson lofting a sacrifice fly to left to bring in Keith Curcio, and that, we didn't know at the time, was the lone blemish. Jake Stinnett would allow an unearned run in the third. Pelicans bouncing back almost immediately. Charcer Burks up and out to begin the bottom of the third. A missile for the dinger to knock the score at 1. From there, a lot of zeros. Stinnett rolling. The first pitcher to get through 8 innings on Myrtle Beach's staff this year with this strikeout of Davidson in the 8th inning. Stinnett, just 1 unearned run on 4 hits, 8 innings, 5 strikeouts against 4 walks, continues to dominate of late. Still 0-0 in the bottom of the 8th. Our Miller Mott moment of the game. Here's the call.
Oh, there it is.
Deep to left center. Mendez back at the wall. Gone! Now it's up to Ryan McNeil closing things out in the 9th. 1 on, 2 down. Harper at the dish. Harper caught looking. Ball game over. Birds win 2-1, and they split their opening series of the second half. As mentioned, Stinnett outstanding. He improves to 6-3. McNeil with his 8th save for Myrtle Beach, and Ian Rice 2 more hits, back-to-back multi-hit games, and Rice with 5 hits through his first 3 games with Myrtle Beach to lead the Pelicans in this one. 2-1 win. Myrtle Beach off to Salem for 3. Hannah, what are the upcoming promotions?
Thank you, Scott. Will join us right back here as we kick off a 4-game homestand against the Potomac Nationals June 30th. It's going to be a thirsty Thursday, and make sure to join us for the rest of the homestand because we will be celebrating Independence Day. It's going to be another great homestand here at the ballpark. We'll see you at TicketReturn.com field.